Alright, we got the new YZ250 build. We're gonna start the teardown process today, and then we're gonna switch into motor stuff, and then
demons in your ear. Demons in your ear. Demons in your ear.
I actually have a bunch of these parts sitting in some hot water, making sure that's, those will clean up easily. What I plan on doing is getting the bearings out of here, cleaning that up, cleaning these up, the radiators up, subframe, and obviously the frame and all the parts in there. The Insta360 setup, that died. I don't know when, I'm gonna have to see. But pretty much we have our motor, swing arm, all this good stuff here. But, there's flat spots in these, so I'm gonna have to press those out. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of keep it a secret, really what I'm trying to do with it. But we'll give you a little sneak peek what we're throwing on it. But I might send out the suspension, I don't know yet, but I'm gonna have to send out this bent radiator. Thing's a bit tacoed, but other than that, it doesn't seem too difficult. It doesn't seem like anything's wrong with it. I'll order everything new, and just go from there and see what I need. Hopefully I don't need much more, but yeah, most likely gonna need more. But and once more parts arrive, we'll be able to start slapping this thing back. We're gonna tear into this and then start slapping it together. About to tear into this motor. We're just gonna pop the cylinder off for now, and tomorrow the bottom end will come in and we'll be able to split these cases. I might have to order a tool, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit to split these cases. Okay, so my Insta360 setup here. Peep it real quick. Stool, air filter bin, helmet with the Insta360. I mean, it's a tried and true setup, patent pending. I had the helmet sitting on here, but it hit the ground. That's actually a new mark right there that it came from. Fork. That popped the cylinder off. I couldn't get this one and this one with a normal 14, and I was like, oh no. I even had a crow's foot to use. Didn't want to get, just didn't fit. What ended up fitting, I found this. The 9/16, or is that what? Yeah, 9/16 fits perfectly in there with the nut. So, got those loosened up. You can see they're really rusty. The motor's a bit dirty. We will get that cleaned, but these are really rusty. I'll clean these out. This died before I could pop the cylinder off, so I thought I'd pop it off. Okay, we could throw our trusty Kroll oil here and then get really proper with the setup. Some call it ghetto, I call it proper. But let's see. Let's just maybe. Tap on it a little bit. Yeah, sweeten it up. Might. Banging on this thing here. There we go. Okay, let me steal your stand really quick. Trusty Kroll oil. Okay, let's get some in there. Okay. Nice about this, I could adjust the bin, but we got it freed up. I'm about to pull this sucker off there.